Hello everybody, I am currently still located here at the Sam's here in Lexington, Kentucky. I've been here since I delivered on Saturday here, and I haven't had a load here, so I've been just sitting here hanging out. Thankfully these guys have not bothered me or anything like that. They've been really cool with me sitting here. You know, I do appreciate that they allowed me to stay here this long. Closest truck stop is like the closest is like 16 miles or something like that, so and without having a load, I don't want to go out of my way. There's several within the like outside of Lexington, but as I said, I didn't want to go the opposite way where I was supposed to be heading. So yeah, this has been my home for since Saturday pretty much. It is currently Monday at 2 or 3 p.m. I have until 11 o'clock tonight to pick this up, so I definitely am going to find a truck stop because I am in dire need of a shower. This is currently a very busy road.
0.2 miles ahead. Turn right up the Kentucky before Northeast New Circle Road.
Is this the same guy? I don't think so. I'm sure this is the same guy that's been sent here. Since I got here, but yeah. But
Turn right up Kentucky before
this is what I've been eating for the past couple of days. It's the closest thing near me. Taco Bell. Yeah, the Taco Bell has been my food for the past couple of days, so I'm in dire need for some different food and a shower. Once we go to Station 4, I could take this, but there you go through here. Beautiful day out. It's like 75 degrees out. It is. warm out for this type of year. Usually it's still relatively pretty cold, but it's been pretty warm. AC for now, and then I don't know if camera I'll talk to you guys, but yeah, pretty nice weather. I'm going to leave the wind down for most of the day here. What the hell, dude? Dude, you're not gonna let me over. Screw you people. Freaking jerks. But yeah, so this is going to Prairie, Texas here on the load that I'm picking up in Louisville. It's going to be a General Electric load. So I'm very happy. I was definitely looking forward to this load. It's a very decent load, great miles. Going to have great miles there and back, so the pay should be good. Definitely improvement for what I've been dealing with since I got from home time here.
1 mile ahead, turn right on US 27 North Broadway Road.
But they're going to have to pull something out of their butt here because I have home time on Thursday, so they're going to have to figure out something with that. They got like 3 days to try to get me back here on home. What's this lady doing? Freaking jaywalking? It's not really a good idea. I mean, literally, the cop doesn't care. The cop just right past her, and they really should. They really probably should enforce that a lot more because that's how people get hit. It's happening in a small town like mine. Cops really don't enforce it, and We've had people that have gotten hit by cars. Especially now, I wouldn't really trust a motor in public today. Simply because people are on their phones, they're not paying attention. The common motor public does not care about driving. They just care about getting from point A to point B.
0.3 miles ahead. Turn right at US 27 North Broadway Road.
So it is an issue. I mean, technically, when you hit somebody, it is always, like, when you hit a actual person, it is always the driver's fault. But realistically, should it be? I mean, there should be, like, specific cases to where it's not totally, you know, the driver's fault. Simply because, you know, people doing illegal stuff like what that lady was doing, jaywalking, you know, if she would have gotten hit by a car, you know, if she would have ran right out in front of a car to the point to where the car couldn't even stop, you know, I don't understand that one. How would that be the driver's fault? Because, you know, it's nothing that they can do. They simply just ran out in front of a car. That's never really made a lot of sense.
North Broadway Road.
Now, if you intentionally hit somebody, yeah, it should be your fault, but somebody's breaking the law, jaywalking, and you hit somebody, you know, say, like I said, they walk right in front of your car, a distance to where you can't even stop. You know, I don't know. That seems like a kind of a tough order there. And maybe things that need to be ironed out for a little bit there.
64 West.
I mean, on a point like this, I get, you know, people are supposed to be paying attention and supposed to be able to see all this stuff. You're supposed to, you know, be cautious about it, but as I said, to me, I think it should be so that it needs to be looked up by case basis, because we're good.
0.3 miles ahead. Turn left on ramp to I-64 West.
64 West. It's not where we need to go. So, I don't know about this whole situation on stuff like that, but when it comes to car versus pedestrian there, but I think it would be a tall order. Definitely should be like that case by case basis. Definitely very narrow.
Miles ahead. Take
Clearly, somebody
west.
has misjudged that and run off the road, because I can see tire marks in the grass. This is a freaking mess. We're going to take them a while to get this thing fixed. Alright guys, so I think we'll go ahead and wrap this video up here, and I will see you guys when we get to Louisville.